Hey guys, how are you going today? My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you, as I've been getting a lot of questions asked. People actually don't know what's this actual business model. So on this video I'll be sharing with you step by step on how you can pretty much start this business and how you can start getting success doing this amazing business model. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel, because on this channel I give out valuable content, things that I'm using day to day to grow my business. So if you're getting value out of all this information that I'm giving to you, I highly recommend you to subscribe, and so that way it will tell YouTube that I'm doing a good job. But if you don't like this video, you can also give a thumbs down, so it's all good, right? So and before I begin, I'd like to give a shout out to one of the students who actually joined our program recently, and he has been getting a lot of success. He hasn't seen any success like this, and he has been in the online space for a while. He wasn't getting much results, and he reached out to us. And it's good to see a person joining the community and be able to get something and be able to see the results. Really excited for him. So that's why I just wanted to give a shout out to him, right? So this business that I'm actually doing, it's called affiliate marketing business, right? There's a lot of different affiliate marketing programs out there. You can promote Amazon's products, you can promote digital programs, right? So there's Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, right? All these different programs out there. But the business model, what this is actually is like, you're going to be promoting the products that's like really in high demand at the moment. So I'll also be sharing with you that step by step as well. But the good thing, and what actually attracted me to this program, was you start to get recurring commission month after month and year after year, right? How many programs out there you can start to get recurring commission, right? You might be promoting Amazon's products, right? But what happens if you don't get a sale, right? You're not gonna be earning from that, right? So with this business model, it's actually we're building something, and over time, once you get that compound effects going, that business will start to give you true freedom. And that's what we actually all want, to spend quality time with our kids, with our family. And even if you are retired, you can always find new ways how you can be generating income, right? And online space is only getting started, right? More and more people are still doing brick and mortar business, but online space is still young. So if you're a complete beginner, I'd say this is the best time to start your own online business and to get that experience, and just to have that side hustle income, right? Your plan B. Because when the COVID hit in 2019, there was a lot of people who actually lost their job, and people who had 2 or 3 businesses going, in case 1 or 2 businesses failed or even got stuck at that time, they still had a plan B. So I highly recommend everyone to get a plan B, and now is the best time to have that side hustle, right? So going back to the particular business model, right? But if you look at people who actually promoting high ticket affiliate marketing, right? They might get a sale today for, say, about $400, $300, $200, right? But the problem with that also is you actually not getting that recurring commission, right? With this, you're gonna be making recurring commission for life, right? So which is really exciting. And once I found this opportunity, I was like, is there something like this out there? Like I was very skeptical, like you might be skeptical, right? But I will also be showing you my numbers on my second account. It's one of my baby accounts, And so that way you can see, like, I'm not showing you some fake numbers. This is all real numbers, and anyone can get these results, right? As long as you stay plugged in, have all the training, complete all the training, and then start building your business from ground zero, right? I also started building this business from ground zero, right? And I believe anyone, no matter what your background, no matter what your college education is, right? If you want to be successful in your life, you need to be very, very focused. You need to have goals, and you do need to have that end goal in mind, right? My end goal in mind is always to spend more quality time with my kids, with my family, and to be able to enjoy my life, right? I just didn't want to have that 9-to-5 jobs. I'm waking up every single day doing the same things over and over again. Like Albert Einstein once said, if you want to get some different results, you need to do things differently, right? But I see a lot of people in this day and age, they're actually doing the same thing day in and day out, and they're expecting different results, right? To me, that's insanity, right? It just won't happen, right? So going back to affiliate marketing, this is a community that we also get plugged into, right? So that way you can get step-by-step training on complete beginner. Like if you haven't made any dime on the internet, right, complete beginner can start this business and start to generate significant amount of money, right? But it all depends on your work ethics, right? I'm not saying this is a get rich quick thing, right? But if you get focused, get plugged into the system, you will definitely get results, right? You'll be earning, you know, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 a month or more. We got people in the community who are generating 50, 60, 70,000 from this amazing business, and also they're living the life of freedom, right? So that's what I want everyone to achieve, get that financial freedom and be able to enjoy your life, do the things that you want to do in your life, right? So I'll share with you my results now, right? This is one of my smaller accounts, and also just a quick disclaimer that this is going to be my results, and it based on all the efforts and hard work that I put into this business every single day, right? This is not a get rich quick scheme, and if you get plugged in, I cannot guarantee your results, but all the things that I'm showing with you is my results, that it is possible. I cannot say that you can earn $500 or $1,000 a month. It all purely depends on your drive, on your passion, and how hungry are you for that change, right? So, and all I'm saying is, if you get plugged into this system, you will definitely get results. And the income limit, there's no cap on your income, right? You can make as much as you want, right? So now I'll share with you my results, and this is just from one account, right? You can see I didn't start this account not so long ago, right? I started in April, and let me change these numbers so you can see the real numbers, right? Right, come on, give me a oh yeah if you're getting some value out of these guys. I'm really excited, so let me show you these numbers, right? Let me show you these numbers. So you can see $3,440, guys. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. $3,440, right? This is all in US dollars. So imagine if you're living in some third world country, right? And be able to earn US dollars once it comes in your country. Just imagine, like, this money is like 4,500 for me in Australian, right? So which is really, really amazing. Like, you see the numbers, $820, $800, $100, $280. This is all recurring commissions that I'm making, right? Or day in and day out, right? I'm only getting started with this amazing system on this second account. and I'm really loving it. I'm really loving it, and the program, the products, everything is so well put together that I recommend anyone can achieve this success. And this is my numbers. Your numbers can just be double, triple, quadruple, right? So I cannot guarantee your results, but I actually didn't know anything about this particular system, right? And if I can do it, you can definitely do this, guys. Come on, give me some clap. Yes. Okay, so how can you actually get access to this amazing system, right? So you might be watching a video at the end now, right? So if you go in the description, just like this, right, you'll see this first link here. So once you click on this first link, it will actually take you to this page here, right? So this page, you'll just enter your email, right? I'll put my details here, so I can just show you what I'm actually doing and how you can enter the system, right? So this is actually how you're going to be finding out what this particular thing that I'm actually doing, right? So you might be a complete beginner, so, and what you need to do is click this button, right? So that way you can get access to the system and just to see for yourself, right? This is a video that I highly recommend you to watch, right? Because it will actually break everything down, so you know what to do, right? So you can see $100 monthly commissions, but this is all recurring commission we earning, right? And then when you go down, right, so this is all the bonus that you're gonna get. Like, I haven't seen any business model that's giving so much bonus, guys. And also, if you stick till the end, I'll share with you the amazing bonus that I'll also be giving you, right? So just wanted to mention this as well. This company also provide food for the young kids, starving kids, right? So you can see till this date, 190 meals to starving kids all around the world, guys. Look at this. This is a very generous company, right? And anyone can do this business model. Anyone from any part of the country. This is all global business, guys. It's all global, right? So what you need to do is click this button. 120 it's $25 just to start this amazing business, guys. Only $25, right? How much money do you spend? Let me ask you a question. How much money this week have you paid to go out and have lunch or dinner, right? If you can answer that question. I know I spend way more than that. I know I just on coffee, I probably spend a lot of money, you know. Every single day I buy coffee, right? That's $4.50, $5. So if you times it by 5, that's like $5.25, right? So you can just see the numbers. So with this amazing system, this is actually giving you financial freedom, right? So what's $25 to you, right? Just $25 is nothing to me, right? So all you do is just enter all your details here. But wait, right? Enter your card detail and everything. But wait, the company also gives you 14 days free bonus, right? They're giving you free bonus just to test drive and see the product. So to do that, I'll recommend you to click this button, right? Free trial, test drive, right? So you just click this button and then get access to the amazing system for $25, right? Pay that. And when you actually got the product, you're going to get your affiliate and all the logins sent to your email address, right? So make sure you give your very best email, because you don't want to give the wrong email, because that way you won't get any information from the company, right? So you want to do that. And then after, once you got the logins and everything, you're going to get login to this amazing system and the back end, right? So this is the back end, and you can see these are the products that you actually get access to, right? So this is a funnel building website tool, right? So this actual tool helps you to make build people's funnel, right? But if you like me, you don't know anything about building funnel, not a problem. Like, I'm not promoting the funnels or anything, I'm just promoting the business model, right? So what you're going to do is just get access to all this training, right? Funnel builder. And the second product which I showed with you, that's a how you actually drive people onto your funnel. And then once someone comes in your funnel, that's when you start sending people automated emails, right? So, but if you don't know anything about anything, I also set up the entire system for my people who actually want to start this business. So what I do, I build the funnel for them, right? And I connect all the back end. So when someone joins, they actually know what to do and they don't get too confused, right? So if they don't want to go through this training, right, step by step, I actually set up everything for them, right? So you can be rest assured that I'll be here guiding and supporting you every single step of the way. And you will also get invited into my group chat. You'll also be invited to my messenger group chat, where I help my team, and my team also helps others as well, you know. So if you have any questions, you can also reach out. Another amazing bonus, there's lots of bonus in here, guys. Just for $25, you're going to get live coaching here. So once you click on this button here, right, you can see all the details here of the coaching and masterminds we do, right? But we want to click on traffic and conversion, and here you can see all the recorded masterminds. So if you click on this, you'll see all the recorded masterminds here, right? Amazing, amazing, amazing. So if you can't make it to the mastermind, we got 5-6 mastermind calls every single week. And then you can watch all these recordings, right? Amazing. Look at this, guys. Give me some love if you're getting some value out of this. So that'd be really, really much appreciated. Okay, so those are the things that I also set up for my team. I'll also leave a you'll see a video on the screen now, right? That's the bonus. That's all the bonus that I actually give for people who want to start this amazing system, right? So you can go and click that and watch that video, and I cannot wait to speak to you very soon. I'm really excited for you, and I'm here to help, support, and guide you every single step of the way. Thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and my God bless you.